بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
سبحان الذي أسرى بعبده ليلا من المسجد الحرام إلى المسجد الأقصى الذي باركنا حوله لنريه من آياتنا إنه هو السميع البصير.
Holy is He who carried His servant by night from the holy mosque in Mecca to the farther mosque in Jerusalem, whose surroundings we have blessed, that we might show him some of our signs. Indeed, He alone is all-hearing, all-seeing.
وآتينا موسى الكتاب وجعلناه هدى لبني إسرائيل ألا تتخذوا من دوني وكيلا.
We gave Moses the book and made it a source of guidance for the children of Israel, commanding, "Take no other guardian beside me."
ذرية من حملنا مع نوح إنه كان عبدا شكورا.
You are the descendants of those whom we carried in the ark with Noah. He was truly a thankful servant.
وقوينا إلى بني إسرائيل في الكتاب لتفسدن في الأرض مرتين ولتعلن علوا كبيرا.
Then we clearly declared to the children of Israel in the book, "Twice you will make mischief in the land and will commit transgression."
فإذا جاء وعد أولاهما بعثنا عليكم عبادا لنا أولي بأس شديد فجاسوا خلال الديار وكان وعدا مفعولا.
So, when the occasion for the first of the transgressions arrived, we raised against you some of our creatures who were full of might, and they ran over the whole of your land. This was a promise that was bound to be fulfilled.
ثم رددنا لكم الكرة عليهم وأمددناكم بأموال وبنين وجعلناكم أكثر نفيرا.
Then we granted you an upper hand against them, and strengthened you with wealth and children, and multiplied your numbers.
إن أحسنتم لأنفسكم وإن أسأتم فلها فإذا جاء وعد الآخرة ليسوءوا وجوهكم وليدخلوا المسجد كما دخلوه أول مرة وليتبروا ما علوا تتبيرا.
Whenever you did good, it was to your own advantage, and whenever you committed evil, it was to your own disadvantage. So when the time of the fulfillment of the second promise arrived, we raised other enemies that would disfigure your faces and enter the temple of Jerusalem as they had entered the first time, and destroy whatever they could lay their hands on.
عسى ربكم أن يرحمكم وإن عدتم عدنا وجعلنا جهنم للكافرين حصيرا.
Your Lord may well show mercy to you, but if you revert to your evil behavior, we shall revert to chastising you. We've made hell a prison for those who are thankless of Allah's bounties.
إن هذا القرآن يهدي للتي هي أقوم ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا كبيرا.
Verily, this Quran guides to the way that is the straightmost. To those who believe in it and do righteous works, it gives the good news that a great reward awaits them.
وأن الذين لا يؤمنون بالآخرة أعتدنا لهم عذابا أليما.
And warns those who do not believe in the hereafter that we have prepared for them a grievous chastisement.
ويدعو الإنسان بالشر دعاءه بالخير وكان الإنسان عجولا.
Man prays for evil in the manner he ought to pray for good. Man is ever hasty.
وجعلنا الليل والنهار آيتين فمحونا آية الليل وجعلنا آية النهار مبصرة لتبتغوا فضلا من ربكم ولتعلموا عدد السنين والحساب وكل شيء فصلناه تفصيلا.
We've made night and day as two signs. We made the sign of the night devoid of light, and made the sign of the day radiant, that you may seek the bounty of your Lord, and know the computation of years and numbers. Thus we have expounded everything in detail to keep everything distinct from the other.
وكل إنسان ألزمناه طائره في عنقه ونخرج له يوم القيامة كتابا يلقاه منشورا.
We have fastened every man's omen to his neck. On the day of resurrection, we shall produce for him his scroll in the shape of a wide open book, saying,
اقرأ كتابك كفى بنفسك اليوم عليك حسيبا.
Read your scroll. This day you suffice to take account of yourself.
من اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فإنما يضل عليها ولا تزر وازرة وزر أخرى وما كنا معذبين حتى نبعث رسولا.
He who follows the right way shall do so to his own advantage, and he who strays shall incur his own loss. No one shall bear another's burden, and never do we punish any people until we send a messenger to make the truth distinct from falsehood.
وَإِذَا أَرَدْنَا أن نهلك قرية أمرنا متر فيها ففسقوا فيها فحق عليها القول فدمرناها تدميرا.
When we decide to destroy a town, we command the affluent among them, whereupon they commit sins in it. Then the decree of chastisement becomes due against them, and thereafter we destroy that town utterly.
وَكَمْ أَهْلَكْنَا مِنَ الْقُرُونِ مِنْ بَعْدِ نُوحٍ وَكَفَى بِرَبِّكَ بِذُنُوبِ عِبَادِهِ خَبِيرًا بَصِيرًا.
Many a generation has been destroyed by our command since Noah's time. Your Lord is well aware and fully observant of the sins of His servants.
من كان يريد العاجلة عجلنا له فيها ما نشاء لمن نريد ثم جعلنا له جهنم يصلاها مذموما مدحورا.
If anyone desires immediate benefits, we hasten to grant whatever benefits we will in the present life, to whomsoever we please. But thereafter we decree for him hell, wherein he shall burn, condemned and rejected.
ومن أراد الآخرة وسعى لها سعيها وهو مؤمن فأولئك كان سعيهم مشكورا.
But he who desires the hereafter and strives for it in the manner he should and is a true believer, his striving will come to fruition.
كلا نمد هؤلاء وهؤلاء من عطاء ربك وما كان عطاء ربك محظورا.
To all of these, as well as those, we shall provide the wherewithal of this life in the present world by dint of your Lord's bounty, and from none shall the bounty of your Lord be withheld.
انظر كيف فضلنا بعضهم على بعض وللآخرة أكبر درجات وأكبر تفضيلا.
See how we've exalted some above others in this world, and in the life to come they will have higher ranks and greater degrees of excellence over others.
لا تجعل مع الله إلها آخر فتقعد مذموما مخذولا.
Do not set up any other God with Allah, lest you are rendered humiliated and helpless.
وقضى ربك ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه وبالوالدين إحسانا إما يبلغن عندك الكبر أحدهما أو كلاهما فلا تقل لهما أف ولا تنهرهما وقل لهما قولا كريما.
Your Lord has decreed, do not worship any but Him. Be good to your parents, and should both or any of them attain old age with you, do not say to them even, Fie, neither chide them, but speak to them with respect.
واخفض لهما جناح الذل من الرحمة وقل رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا.
And be humble and tender to them, and say, Lord, show mercy to them, as they nurtured me when I was small.
ربكم أعلم بما في نفوسكم إن تكونوا صالحين فإنه كان للأوابين غفورا.
Your Lord is best aware of what is in your hearts. If you are righteous, He will indeed forgive those who relent and revert to serving Allah.
وآت ذا القربى حقه والمسكين وابن السبيل ولا تبذر تبذيرا.
Give to the near of kin his due, and also to the needy and the wayfarer. Do not squander your wealth wastefully.
إن المبذرين كانوا إخوان الشياطين وكان الشيطان لربه كفورا.
For those who squander wastefully are Satan's brothers, and Satan is ever ungrateful to his Lord.
وإما تعرضن عنهم ابتغاء رحمة من ربك ترجوها فقل لهم قولا ميسورا.
And when you must turn away from them, that is from the destitute, the near of kin, the needy, and the wayfarer, in pursuit of God's mercy which you expect to receive, then speak to them kindly.
ولا تجعل يدك مغلولة إلى عنقك ولا تبسطها كل البسط فتقعد ملوما محسورا.
Do not keep your hand fastened to your neck, nor outspread it, altogether outspread, for you will be left sitting rebuked, destitute.
إن ربك يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء ويقدر إنه كان بعباده خبيرا بصيرا.
Certainly, your Lord makes plentiful the provision of whomsoever He wills, and straightens it for whomsoever He wills. He is well aware and is fully observant of all that relates to His servants.
ولا تقتلوا أولادكم خشية إملاق نحن نرزقهم وإياكم إن قتلهم كان خطأ كبيرا.
Do not kill your children for fear of want. We will provide for them and for you. Surely, killing them is a great sin.
ولا تقربوا الزنا إنه كان فاحشة وساء سبيلا.
Do not even approach fornication, for it is an outrageous act and an evil way.
ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ومن قتل مظلوما فقد جعلنا لوليه سلطانا فلا يسرف في القتل إنه كان منصورا.
Do not kill any person whom Allah has forbidden to kill except with right. We have granted the heir of him who has been wrongfully killed the authority to claim retribution, so let him not exceed in slaying. He shall be helped.
ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا بالعهد إن العهد كان مسؤولا.
And do not even go near the property of the orphan, except that it be in the best manner, till he attains his maturity. And fulfill the covenant, for you will be called to account regarding the covenant.
وأوفوا الكيل إذا كلتم وزنوا بالقسطاس المستقيم ذلك خير وأحسن تأويلا.
Give full measure when you measure, and weigh with even scales. That is fair and better in consequence.
ولا تقف ما ليس لك به علم إن السمع والبصر والفؤاد كل أولئك كان عنه مسؤولا.
Do not follow that of which you have no knowledge. Surely, the hearing, the sight, the heart, each of these shall be called to account.
ولا تمش في الأرض مرحا إنك لن تخلق الأرض ولن تبلغ الجبال طولا.
Do not strut about in the land arrogantly. Surely you cannot cleave the earth, nor reach the heights of the mountains in stature.
كل ذلك كان سيئه عند ربك مكروها.
The wickedness of each of that is hateful to your Lord.
ذلك مما أوحى إليك ربك من الحكمة ولا تجعل مع الله إلها آخر فتلقى في جهنم ملوما مدحورا.
That is part of the wisdom your Lord has revealed to you. So do not set up any deity beside Allah, lest you are cast into hell, rebuked and deprived of every good.
أفأصفاكم ربكم بالبنين واتخذ من الملائكة إناثا إنكم لتقولون قولا عظيما.
What? Has your Lord favored you with sons and has taken for himself daughters from among the angels? You are indeed uttering a monstrous lie.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ لِيَذَّكَّرُوا وَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا نُفُورًا.
We have expounded the truth in diverse ways in this Quran, that they might take it to heart, but all this only aggravates their aversion.
قل لو كان معه آلهة كما يقولون إذا لابتغوا إلى ذي العرش سبيلا.
Say, O Muhammad, had there been other gods with him as they claim, they would surely have attempted to find a way to the Lord of the throne.
سبحانه وتعالى عما يقولون علوا كبيرا.
Holy is He, and far above all that they say.
تسبح له السماوات السبع والأرض ومن فيهن وإن من شيء إلا يسبح بحمده ولكن لا تفقهون تسبيحهم إنه كان حليما غفورا.
The seven heavens, the earth, and all that is within them give glory to Him. There's nothing but gives glory to Him with His praise, though you do not understand their hymns of praise. He is most forbearing, exceedingly forgiving.
وَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ جَعَلْنَا بَيْنَكَ وَبَيْنَ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ حِجَابًا مَسْتُورًا.
When you recite the Quran, we place a hidden barrier between you and those who do not believe in the hereafter.
وَجَعَلْنَا عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ أَكِنَّةً أَن يَفْقَهُوهُ وَفِي آذَانِهِمْ وَقْرًا وَإِذَا ذَكَرْتَ رَبَّكَ فِي الْقُرْآنِ وَحْدَهُ وَلَّوْا عَلَى أَدْبَارِهِمْ نُفُورًا.
And we place a covering on their hearts so that they do not comprehend it. And we cause a heaviness in their ears. And when you mention your Lord, the only true Lord in the Quran, they turn their backs in aversion.
نحن أعلم بما يستمعون به إذ يستمعون إليك وإذ هم نجوى إذ يقول الظالمون إن تتبعون إلا رجلا مسحورا.
We are well aware of what they wish to hear when they listen to you, and what they say when they confer in whispers when the wrongdoers say, "You are only following one who is bewitched."
انظر كيف ضربوا لك الأمثال فضلوا فلا يستطيعون سبيلا.
Just see how strange are the things they invent about you. They have altogether strayed and are unable to find the right way.
وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
They say, when we are turned to bones and particles of dust, shall we truly be raised up as a new creation?
قل كونوا حجارة أو حديدا.
Tell them, you will be raised afresh even if you turn to stone or iron.
أو خلقا مما يكبر في صدوركم فسيقولون من يعيدنا قل الذي فطركم أول مرة فسينغضون إليك رؤوسهم ويقولون متاه وقل عسى أن يكون قريبا.
Or any other form of creation you deem hardest of all to recreate from. They will certainly ask, who will bring us back to life? Say, He who created you in the first instance. They will shake their heads at you and inquire, when will that be? Say, perhaps that time might have drawn near.
يوم يدعوكم فتستجيبون بحمده وتظنون إن لبثتم إلا قليلا.
On the day when He will call you and you will rise praising Him in response to His call, and you will believe that you had lain in this state only for a while.
وقل لعبادي يقولوا التي هي أحسن إن الشيطان ينزغ بينهم إن الشيطان كان للإنسان عدوا مبينا.
Tell my servants, O Muhammad, to say always that which is best. Verily, it is Satan who sows discord among people. Satan indeed is an open enemy to mankind.
ربكم أعلم بكم إن يشأ يرحمكم أو إن يشأ يعذبكم وما أرسلناك عليهم وكيلا.
Your Lord knows you best. He will have mercy on you if He wills, and chastise you if He wills. We have not sent you, O Muhammad, as an overseer over them.
وربك أعلم بمن في السماوات والأرض ولقد فضلنا بعض النبيين على بعض وآتينا داود زبورا.
Your Lord knows all who dwell in the heavens and the earth. We've exalted some prophets over others, and we gave the Psalms to David.
قل ادعوا الذين زعمتم من دونه فلا يملكون كشف الضر عنكم ولا تحويلا.
Tell them, call upon those whom you fancy to be your helpers instead of Him. They have no power to remove any affliction from you, nor can they shift it to any other.
أولئك الذين يدعون يبتغون إلى ربهم الوسيلة أيهم أقرب ويرجون رحمته ويخافون عذابه إن عذاب ربك كان محذورا.
Those whom they call upon are themselves seeking the means of access to their Lord, each trying to be nearer to Him. They crave for His mercy and dread His chastisement. Surely your Lord's punishment is to be feared.
وَإِن مِّن قَرْيَةٍ إِلَّا نَحْنُ مُهْلِكُوهَا قَبْلَ يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ أَوْ مُعَذِّبُوهَا عَذَابًا شَدِيدًا كَانَ ذَلِكَ فِي الْكِتَابِ مَسْطُورًا.
There's not a town but we shall destroy it, or upon which we shall inflict severe chastisement before the day of resurrection. This is written down in the eternal book of Allah.
وما منعنا أن نرسل بالآيات إلا أن كذب بها الأولون وآتينا ثمود الناقة مبصرة فظلموا بها وما نرسل بالآيات إلا تخويفا.
Nothing hindered us from sending our signs except that the people of olden times rejected them as lies. We publicly sent the she-camel to the Thamud to open their eyes, but they wronged her. We never send our signs except to cause people to fear.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لَكَ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ أَحَاطَ بِالنَّاسِ وَمَا جَعَلْنَا الرُّؤْيَا الَّتِي أَرَيْنَاكَ إِلَّا فِتْنَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَالشَّجَرَةَ الملعونة في القرآن ونخوفهم فما يزيدهم إلا طغيانا كبيرا.
And recall when we said to you, O Muhammad, that your Lord encompasses these people, and that we have made that vision that we have shown you, and the tree accursed in the Quran, but as a trial for people. We go about warning them, but each warning leads them to greater transgression.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ قَالَ أَأَسْجُدُ لِمَنْ خَلَقْتَ طِينًا.
And recall when we asked the angels to prostrate themselves before Adam, all prostrated themselves except Iblis, who said, "Shall I prostrate myself before him whom you created of clay?"
قال أرأيتك هذا الذي كرمت علي لئن أخرتني إلى يوم القيامة لأحتنكن ذريته إلا قليلا.
He then continued, Look, this is he whom you have exalted above me. If you will grant me respite till the day of resurrection, I shall uproot the whole of his progeny, except only a few.
قال اذهب فمن تبعك منهم فإن جهنم جزاؤكم جزاء موفورا.
Thereupon he retorted, Be gone! Hell shall be the recompense and a most ample one of whosoever of them who follows you.
واستفزز من استطعت منهم بصوتك وأجلب عليهم بخيلك ورجلك وشاركهم في الأموال والأولاد وعدهم وما يعدهم الشيطان إلا غرورا.
Tempt with your call all whom you wish. Muster against them all your forces, your cavalry and your foot soldiers. Share with them riches and offspring and seduce them with rosy promises. And Satan's promise is nothing but a deception.
إن عبادي ليس لك عليهم سلطان وكفى بربك وكيلا.
But know well that you will have no power against my servants. Your Lord suffices for them to place their trust in.
ربكم الذي يزجي لكم الفلك في البحر لتبتغوا من فضله إنه كان بكم رحيما.
Your Lord is He who steers your vessels across the seas, that you may seek of His bounty. He is ever merciful towards you.
وَإِذَا مَسَّكُمُ الضُّرُّ فِي الْبَحْرِ ضَلَّ مَن تَدْعُونَ إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ فَلَمَّا نَجَّاكُمْ إِلَى الْبَرِّ أَعْرَضْتُمْ وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ كَفُورًا.
When a calamity befalls you on the sea, all those whom you invoke forsake you except Him. But when He delivers you safely to the shore, you turn away from Him, for man is indeed most thankless.
أَفَأَمِنْتُمْ أَنْ يَخْسِفَ بِكُمْ جَانِبَ الْبَرِّ أَوْ يُرْسِلَ عَلَيْكُمْ حَاصِبًا ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُوا لَكُمْ وَكِيلًا.
Do you then feel secure against His causing you to be swallowed up by a tract of the earth, or letting loose a deadly whirlwind charged with stones towards you, and there you will find none to protect you?
أَمْ أَمِنْتُمْ أَنْ يُعِيدَكُمْ فِيهِ تَارَةً أُخْرَى فَيُرْسِلَ عَلَيْكُمْ قَاصِفًا مِنَ الرِّيحِ فَيُغْرِقَكُمْ بِمَا كَفَرْتُمْ ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُوا لَكُمْ عَلَيْنَا بِهِ تَبِيعًا.
Or do you feel secure that He will not cause you to revert to the sea and let a tempest loose upon you, and then drown you for your ingratitude, whereupon you will find none even to inquire of us what happened to you?
وَلَقَدْ كَرَّمْنَا بَنِي آدَمَ وَحَمَلْنَاهُمْ فِي الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَرَزَقْنَاهُم مِّنَ الطَّيِّبَاتِ وَفَضَّلْنَاهُمْ عَلَى كَثِيرٍ مِّمَّنْ خَلَقْنَا تَفْضِيلًا.
Indeed, we honored the progeny of Adam and bore them across land and sea and provided them with good things for their sustenance and exalted them above many of our creatures.
يوم ندعو كل أناس بإمامهم فمن أوتي كتابه بيمينه فأولئك يقرؤون كتابهم ولا يظلمون فتيلا.
Then think of the day we shall summon every community with its leader. Those who are given their record in their right hand shall read the record of their deeds and shall not be wronged a whit.
ومن كان في هذه أعمى فهو في الآخرة أعمى وأضل سبيلا.
Whoever lived in this world as blind shall live as blind in the life to come. Rather, he'll be even farther astray than if he were just blind.
وَإِن كَادُوا لَيَفْتِنُونَكَ عَنِ الَّذِي أَوْحَيْنَا إِلَيْكَ لِتَفْتَرِيَ عَلَيْنَا غَيْرَهُ وَإِذًا لَاتَّخَذُوكَ خَلِيلًا.
O Muhammad, they had all but tempted you away from what we have revealed to you, that you may invent something else in our name. Had you done so, they would have taken you as their trusted friend.
وَلَوْلَا أَن ثَبَّتْنَاكَ لَقَدْ كِدتَّ تَرْكَنُ إِلَيْهِمْ شَيْئًا قَلِيلًا.
Indeed, had we not strengthened you, you might have inclined to them a little.
إِذًا لَأَذَقْنَاكَ ضِعْفَ الْحَيَاةِ وَضِعْفَ الْمَمَاتِ ثُمَّ لَا تَجِدُ لَكَ عَلَيْنَا نَصِيرًا.
Whereupon we would have made you taste double the chastisement in the world and double the chastisement after death, and then you would have found none to help you against us.
وَإِن كَادُوا لَيَسْتَفِزُّونَكَ مِنَ الْأَرْضِ لِيُخْرِجُوكَ مِنْهَا وَإِذًا لَا يَلْبَثُونَ خِلَافَكَ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا.
They were bent upon uprooting you from this land and driving you away from it. But were they to succeed, they would not be able to remain after you more than a little while.
سُنَّةَ مَنْ قَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا قَبْلَكَ مِنْ رُسُلِنَا وَلَا تَجِدُ لِسُنَّتِنَا تَحْوِيلًا.
This has been our way with the messengers whom we sent before you. You will find no change in our way.
أقم الصلاة لدلوك الشمس إلى غسق الليل وقرآن الفجر إن قرآن الفجر كان مشهودا.
Establish prayer from the declining of the sun to the darkness of the night, and hold fast to the recitation of the Quran at dawn, for the recitation of the Quran at dawn is witnessed.
وَمِنَ اللَّيْلِ فَتَهَجَّدْ بِهِ نَافِلَةً لَكَ عَسَىٰ أَن يَبْعَثَكَ رَبُّكَ مَقَامًا مَحْمُودًا.
And rise from sleep during the night as well. This is an additional prayer for you. Possibly your Lord will raise you to an honored position.
وَقُلْ رَبِّ أَدْخِلْنِي مُدْخَلَ صِدْقٍ وَأَخْرِجْنِي مُخْرَجَ صِدْقٍ وَاجْعَلْ لِي مِن لَّدُنكَ سُلْطَانًا نَصِيرًا.
And pray, my Lord, cause me to enter whatever it be with truth, and cause me to exit wherever it be with truth, and support me with authority from yourself.
وَقُلْ جَاءَ الْحَقُّ وَزَهَقَ الْبَاطِلُ إِنَّ الْبَاطِلَ كَانَ زَهُوقًا.
And proclaim, the truth has come and falsehood has vanished. Surely falsehood is ever bound to vanish.
وَنُنَزِّلُ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مَا هُوَ شِفَاءٌ وَرَحْمَةٌ لِّلْمُؤْمِنِينَ وَلَا يَزِيدُ الظَّالِمِينَ إِلَّا خَسَارًا.
What we are sending down in the course of revealing the Quran is a healing and a grace for those who have faith, but it adds only to the ruin of the wrongdoers.
وَإِذَا أَنْعَمْنَا عَلَى الْإِنسَانِ أَعْرَضَ وَنَأَىٰ بِجَانِبِهِ وَإِذَا مَسَّهُ الشَّرُّ كَانَ يَئُوسًا.
Whenever we bestow favors upon man, he arrogantly turns away and draws aside, and whenever evil visits him, he is in utter despair.
قل كل يعمل على شاكلته فربكم أعلم بمن هو أهدى سبيلا.
Say, O Prophet, each one acts according to his own manner. Your Lord knows well who is best guided to the right path.
ويسألونك عن الروح قل الروح من أمر ربي وما أوتيتم من العلم إلا قليلا.
They ask you about the Spirit. Say, the Spirit descends by the command of my Lord, but you've been given only a little knowledge.
ولئن شئنا لنذهبن بالذي أوحينا إليك ثم لا تجد لك به علينا وكيلا.
Had we willed, we could take away what we have revealed to you, then you would find none to help you in recovering it from us.
إلا رحمة من ربك إن فضله كان عليك كبيرا.
Whatever you have received is nothing but grace from your Lord. Indeed, His favor to you is great.
قل لئن اجتمعت الإنس والجن على أن يأتوا بمثل هذا القرآن لا يأتون بمثله ولو كان بعضهم لبعض ظهيرا.
Say, surely, if mankind and jinn were to get together to produce the like of this Quran, they will never be able to produce the like of it, howsoever they might help one another.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا لِلنَّاسِ فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ فَأَبَى أَكْثَرُ النَّاسِ إِلَّا كُفُورًا.
We have explained things for people in this Quran in diverse ways to make them understand the message. Yet most people obstinately persist in unbelief.
وَقَالُوا لَن نُّؤْمِنَ لَكَ حَتَّى تَفْجُرَ لَنَا مِنَ الْأَرْضِ يَنبُوعًا.
They said, we shall not accept your message until you cause a spring to gush forth for us from the earth.
أَوْ تَكُونَ لَكَ جَنَّةٌ من نخيل وعنب فتفجر الأنهار خلالها تفجيرا.
Or that there be a garden of palms and vines for you, and then you cause rivers to abundantly flow forth through them.
أو تسقط السماء كما زعمت علينا كسفا أو تأتي بالله والملائكة قبيلا.
Or cause the sky to fall on us in pieces as you claimed, or bring Allah and the angels before us face to face.
أو يكون لك بيت من زخرف أو ترقى في السماء ولن نؤمن لرقيك حتى تنزل علينا كتابا نقرأه قل سبحان ربي هل كنت إلا بشرا رسولا.
Or that there come to be for you a house of gold, or that you ascend to the sky, though we shall not believe in your ascension to the sky, until you bring down a book for us that we can read. Say to them, O Muhammad, Holy is my Lord, am I anything else than a human being who bears a message from Allah?
وما منع الناس أن يؤمنوا إذ جاءهم الهدى إلا أن قالوا أبعث الله بشرا رسولا.
Whenever guidance came to people, nothing prevented them from believing except that they said, Has Allah sent a human being as a messenger?
قل لو كان في الأرض ملائكة يمشون مطمئنين لنزلنا عليهم لنزلنا عليهم من السماء ملكا رسولا.
Say, had angels been walking about in peace on the earth, we would surely have sent to them an angel from the heavens as messenger.
قل كفى بالله شهيدا بيني وبينكم إنه كان بعباده خبيرا بصيرا.
Tell them, O Prophet, Allah suffices as a witness between me and you. Allah is well aware and fully observes everything pertaining to His servants.
ومن يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد لهم أولياء من دونه ونحشرهم يوم القيامة على وجوههم عميا وبكما وصما مأواهم جهنم كلما خبت زدناهم سعيرا.
Whomsoever Allah guides is rightly guided, and whomsoever Allah lets go astray, you shall find none apart from Him who could protect him. We shall muster them all on the day of resurrection on their faces, blind and dumb and deaf. Hell shall be their refuge. Every time its fire subsides, we will intensify for them its flame.
ذلك جزاؤهم بأنهم كفروا بآياتنا وقالوا أإذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أإنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
That will be their recompense because they disbelieved in our signs and said, What? When we shall be reduced to bones and particles of dust, shall we be raised again as a new creation?
أولم يروا أن الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض قادر على أن يخلق مثلهم وجعل لهم أجلا لا ريب فيه فأبى الظالمون إلا كفورا.
Have they not perceived that Allah who has created the heavens and the earth has the power to create the like of them? He has fixed a term for them about which there is no doubt, and yet the wrongdoers obstinately persist in unbelief.
قل لو أنتم تملكون خزائن رحمة ربي إذا لأمسكتم خشية الإنفاق وكان الإنسان قتورا.
Tell them, O Prophet, even if you owned the treasures of my Lord's mercy, you would have held them back for fear of spending them. Man is indeed ever niggardly.
ولقد آتينا موسى 9 آيات بينات فاسأل بني إسرائيل إذ جاءهم فقال له فرعون إني لأظنك يا موسى مسحورا.
We granted Moses 9 clear signs. Ask the children of Israel about that. When these signs came forth, Pharaoh said to him, Moses, I think that you are bewitched.
قال لقد علمت ما أنزل هؤلاء إلا رب السماوات والأرض بصائر وإني لأظنك يا فرعون مثبورا.
Moses replied, You know well that no one but the Lord of the heavens and the earth has sent these as eye-opening proofs. I truly think, O Pharaoh, that you are indeed doomed.
فأراد أن يستفزهم من الأرض فأغرقناه ومن معه جميعا.
At last Pharaoh decided to uproot Moses and the children of Israel from the land, but we drowned him together with all who were with him.
وَقُلْنَا مِن بَعْدِهِ لِبَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ اسْكُنُوا الْأَرْضَ فَإِذَا جَاءَ وَعْدُ الْآخِرَةِ جِئْنَا بِكُمْ لَفِيفًا.
And thereafter we said to the children of Israel, now dwell in the land, but when the promised time of the hereafter comes, we shall bring you all together.
وَبِالْحَقِّ أَنزَلْنَاهُ وَبِالْحَقِّ نَزَلَ وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا مُبَشِّرًا وَنَذِيرًا.
We have sent down the Quran with the truth, and it is with the truth that it has descended. And we've not sent you but to proclaim good news and to warn.
وَقُرْآنًا فَرَقْنَاهُ لِتَقْرَأَهُ عَلَى النَّاسِ عَلَى مُكْثٍ وَنَزَّلْنَاهُ تَنزِيلًا.
We have revealed the Quran in parts, that you may recite it to people, slowly and with deliberation, and for that reason we have revealed it gradually to suit particular occasions.
قُلْ آمِنُوا بِهِ أَوْ لَا تُؤْمِنُوا إِنَّ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِ إِذَا يُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ يَخِرُّونَ لِلْأَذْقَانِ سُجَّدًا.
Tell them, O Prophet, whether you believe in it or do not believe, but when it is recited to those who were given the knowledge before its revelation, they fall down upon their faces in prostration.
وَيَقُولُونَ سُبْحَانَ رَبِّنَا إِن كَانَ وَعْدُ رَبِّنَا لَمَفْعُولًا.
And say, Glory be to our Lord. Surely the promise of our Lord was bound to be fulfilled.
وَيَخِرُّونَ لِلْأَذْقَانِ يَبْكُونَ وَيَزِيدُهُمْ خُشُوعًا.
And they fall down upon their faces weeping, and their humility increases when the Quran is recited to them.
قُلِ ادْعُوا اللَّهَ أَوِ ادْعُوا الرَّحْمَنَ أَيَّمَّا تَدْعُوا فَلَهُ الْأَسْمَاءُ الْحُسْنَى وَلَا تَجْهَرْ بِصَلَاتِكَ وَلَا تُخَافِتْ بِهَا وَابْتَغِ بَيْنَ ذَلِكَ سَبِيلًا.
Say to them, O Prophet, call upon him as Allah, or call upon him as Ar-Rahman. Call him by whichever name you will. All his names are beautiful. Neither offer your prayer in too loud a voice, nor in a voice too low, but follow a middle course.
وَقُلِ الْحَمْدُ لِلَّهِ الَّذِي لَمْ يَتَّخِذْ وَلَدًا وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ شَرِيكٌ فِي الْمُلْكِ وَلَمْ يَكُنْ لَهُ وَلِيٌّ مِّنَ الذُّلِّ وَكَبِّرْهُ تَكْبِيرًا.
And say, all praise be to Allah, who has neither taken to himself a son, nor has he any partner in his kingdom, nor does he need anyone out of weakness to protect him. So glorify him in a manner worthy of his glory.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
الحمد لله الذي أنزل على عبده الكتاب ولم يجعل له عوجا.
Praise be to Allah, who has revealed to his servants the book, devoid of all crookedness.
قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا من لدنه ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا حسنا.
An unerringly straight book, meant to warn of a stern punishment from Allah, and to proclaim to those who believe and work righteous deeds the tiding that theirs shall be a good reward,
ماكثين فيه أبدا
wherein they shall abide forever.
وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا
And also to warn those who say, Allah has taken to himself a son,
ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا.
a thing about which they have no knowledge, neither they nor their ancestors. Dreadful is the word that comes out of their mouths. What they utter is merely a lie.
فلعلك باخع نفسك على آثارهم إن لم يؤمنوا بهذا الحديث أسفا.
O Muhammad, if they do not believe in this message, you will perhaps torment yourself to death with grief, sorrowing over them.
إنا جعلنا ما على الأرض زينة لها لنبلوهم أيهم أحسن عملا.
Surely we have made all that is on the earth an embellishment for it, in order to test people as to who of them is better in conduct.
وإنا لجاعلون ما عليها صعيدا جرزا. In
the ultimate, we shall reduce all that is on the earth to a barren plain.
أم حسبت أن أصحاب الكهف والرقيم كانوا من آياتنا عجبا.
Do you think that the people of the cave and the inscription were one of our wondrous signs?
إذ أوى الفتية إلى الكهف فقالوا ربنا آتنا من لدنك رحمة وهيئ لنا من أمرنا رشدا.
When those youths sought refuge in the cave and said, Our Lord, grant us mercy from yourself and provide for us rectitude in our affairs.
فضربنا على آذانهم في الكهف سنين عددا.
We lulled them to sleep in the cave for a number of years.
ثم بعثناهم لنعلم أي الحزبين أحصى لما لبثوا أمدا.
And then roused them so that we might see which of the two parties could best tell the length of their stay.
نحن نقص عليك نبأهم بالحق إنهم فتية آمنوا بربهم وزدناهم هدى.
We narrate to you their true story. They were a party of young men who had faith in their Lord, and we increased them in guidance.
وربطنا على قلوبهم إذ قاموا فقالوا ربنا رب السماوات والأرض لن ندعو من دونه إلها لقد قلنا إذا شططا.
And strengthened their hearts when they stood up and proclaimed, Our Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth. We shall call upon no other God beside him, for if we did so, we shall be uttering a blasphemy.
هؤلاء قوم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة لولا يأتون عليهم بسلطان بين فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا.
Then they conferred among themselves and said, These men, our own people, have taken others as gods beside him. Why do they not bring any clear evidence that they indeed are gods? Who can be more unjust than he who foists a lie on Allah?
وَإِذِ اعْتَزَلْتُمُوهُمْ وَمَا يَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ فَهْوُوا إِلَى الْكَهْفِ يَنشُرْ لَكُمْ ربكم من رحمته ويهيئ لكم من أمركم مرفقا.
And now that you have dissociated yourselves from them and from whatever they worship beside Allah, go and seek refuge in the cave. Your Lord will extend His mercy to you and will provide for you the means for the disposal of your affairs.
وترى الشمس إذا طلعت تزاور عن كهفهم ذات اليمين وإذا غربت تقرضهم ذات الشمال وهم في فجوة منه ذلك من آيات الله من يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد له وليا مرشدا.
Had you seen them in the cave, it would have appeared to you that when the sun rose, it moved away from their cave to the right, and when it set, it turned away from them to the left, while they remained in a spacious hollow in the cave. This is one of the signs of Allah. Whomsoever Allah guides, He alone is led aright, and whomsoever Allah lets go astray, you will find for him no guardian to direct him.
وتحسبهم أيقاظا وهم رقود ونقلبهم ذات اليمين وذات الشمال وكلبهم باسط ذراعيه بالوصيد لو اطلعت عليهم لوليت منهم فرارا ولملئت منهم رعبا.
On seeing them, you would fancy them to be awake, though they were asleep. And we caused them to turn their sides to their right and to their left, and their dog sat stretching out its forelegs on the threshold of the cave. Had you looked upon them, you would have certainly fled away from them, their sight filling you with terror.
وكذلك بعثناهم ليتساءلوا بينهم قال قائل منهم كم لبثتم قالوا لبثنا يوما أو بعض يوم قالوا ربكم أعلم بما لبثتم فبعثوا أحدكم بورقكم هذه إلى المدينة فلينظر أيها أزكى طعاما فليأتكم برزق منه وليتلطف ولا يشعرن بكم أحدا.
Likewise, we roused them in a miraculous way that they might question one another. One of them asked, "How long did you remain in this state?" The other said, "We remained so for a day or part of a day." Then they said, "Your Lord knows better how long we remained in this state. Now send one of you to the city with this coin of yours, and let him see who has the best food, and let him buy some provisions from there. Let him be cautious and not inform anyone of our whereabouts.
إنهم إن يظهروا عليكم يرجموكم أو يعيدوكم في ملتهم ولن تفلحوا إذن أبدا.
For if they should come upon us, they will stone us to death, or force us to revert to their faith, whereafter we shall never prosper.
وكذلك أعثرنا عليهم ليعلموا أن وعد الله حق وأن الساعة لا ريب فيها إذ يتنازعون بينهم أمرهم فقالوا ابنوا عليهم بنيانا ربهم أعلم بهم قال الذين غلبوا على أمرهم لنتخذن عليهم مسجدا.
Thus did we make their case known to the people of the city, so that they might know that Allah's promise is true, and that there's absolutely no doubt that the hour will come to pass. But instead of giving thought to this, they disputed with one another concerning the people of the cave, some saying, "Build a wall over them. Their Lord alone knows best about them." But those who prevailed over their affairs said, "We shall build a place of worship over them."
سيقولون ثلاثة رابعهم كلبهم ويقولون خمسة سادسهم كلبهم رجما بالغيب ويقولون سبعة وثامنهم كلبهم قل ربي أعلم بعدتهم ما يعلمهم إلا قليل فلا تمار فيهم إلا مراء ظاهرا ولا تستفت فيهم منهم أحدا.
Some will say concerning them, they were 3 and their dog the 4th. And some will say they were 5 and their dog the 6th. All this being merely guesswork, and still others will say they were 7 and their dog the 8th. Say, my Lord knows their number best. Only a few know their correct number. So do not dispute concerning their number, but stick to what is evident, and do not question anyone about them.
ولا تقولن لشيء إني فاعل ذلك غدا.
And never say about anything, I shall certainly do this tomorrow.
إلا أن يشاء الله واذكر ربك إذا نسيت وقل عسى أن يهديني ربي لأقرب من هذا رشدا.
Unless Allah should will it. And should you forget and make such a statement, remember your Lord and say, I expect my Lord to guide me to what is nearer to rectitude than this.
وَلَبِثُوا فِي كَهْفِهِمْ 300 سِنِينَ وَازْدَادُوا 9.
They remained in the cave for 300 years, and others added 9 more years.
قل الله أعلم بما لبثوا له غيب السماوات والأرض أبصر به وأسمع ما لهم من دونه من ولي ولا يشرك في حكمه أحدا.
Say, Allah knows best how long they remained in it, for only He knows all that is hidden in the heavens and the earth. How well He sees, how well He hears. The creatures have no other guardian than Him. He allows none to share His authority.
وَاتْلُ مَا أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ مِنْ كِتَابِ رَبِّكَ لَا مُبَدِّلَ لِكَلِمَاتِهِ وَلَنْ تَجِدَ مِنْ دُونِهِ مُلْتَحَدًا.
O Prophet, recite to them from the book of your Lord what has been revealed to you, for none may change His words. And were you to make any change in His words, you will find no refuge from Him.
واصبر نفسك مع الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ولا تعد عيناك عنهم تريد زينة الحياة الدنيا ولا تطع من أغفلنا قلبه عن ذكرنا واتبع هواه وكان أمره فرطا.
Keep yourself content with those who call upon their Lord morning and evening, seeking His pleasure, and do not let your eyes pass beyond them. Do you seek the pomp and glitter of the world? Do not follow him whose heart we have caused to be heedless of our remembrance, and who follows his desires, and whose attitude is of excess.
وقل الحق من ربكم فمن شاء فليؤمن ومن شاء فليكفر إنا أعتدنا للظالمين نارا أحاط بهم سرادقها وإن يستغيثوا يغاثوا بماء كالمهل يشوي الوجوه بئس الشراب وساءت مرتفقا.
And proclaim, this is the truth from your Lord. Now let him who will believe, and let him who will disbelieve. We have prepared a fire for the wrongdoers, whose billowing folds encompass them. If they ask for water, they will be served with a drink like dregs of oil that will scald their faces. How dreadful a drink, and how evil an abode!
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات إنا لا نضيع أجر من أحسن عملا.
As for those who believe and do good, we shall not cause their reward to be lost.
أولئك لهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتهم الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ويلبسون ثيابا خضرا من سندس واستبرق متكئين فيها على الأرائك نعم الثواب وحسنت مرتفقا.
They shall dwell in the gardens of eternity beneath which streams flow. There they'll be adorned with bracelets of gold, will be arrayed in green garments of silk and rich brocade, and will recline on raised couches. How excellent is their reward, and how nice their resting place.
واضرب لهم مثل الرجلين جعلنا لأحدهما جنتين من أعناب وحففناهما بنخل وجعلنا بينهما زرعا.
O Muhammad, propound a parable to them. There were two men of whom we bestowed upon one of them 2 vineyards, surrounding both of them with date palms and putting a tillage in between.
كلتا الجنتين آتت أكلها ولم تظلم منه شيئا وفجرنا خلالهما نهرا.
Both the vineyards yielded abundant produce without failure, and we caused a stream to flow in their midst.
وكان له ثمر فقال لصاحبه وهو يحاوره أنا أكثر منك مالا وأعز نفرا.
So the owner had fruit in abundance, and he said to his neighbor, while conversing with him, I have greater wealth than you, and I am stronger than you in numbers.
ودخل جنته وهو ظالم لنفسه قال ما أظن أن تبيد هذه أبدا.
Then he entered his vineyard and said, wronging himself, surely I do not believe that all this will ever perish.
وما أظن الساعة قائمة ولئن رددت إلى ربي لأجدن خيرا منها منقلبا.
Nor do I believe that the hour of resurrection will ever come to pass. And even if I am returned to my Lord, I shall find a better place than this.
قال له صاحبه وهو يحاوره أكفرت بالذي خلقك من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم سواك رجلا.
While conversing with him, his neighbor exclaimed, "Do you deny him who created you out of dust, then out of a drop of sperm, and then fashioned you into a complete man?
لكن هو الله ربي ولا أشرك بربي أحدا."
As for myself, Allah alone is my Lord, and I associate none with my Lord in His divinity.
ولولا إذ دخلت جنتك قلت ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله إن ترني أنا أقل منك مالا وولدا.
When you entered your vineyard, why did you not say, "Whatever Allah wills shall come to pass, for there is no power save with Allah"? If you find me less than yourself in wealth and children,
فعسى ربي أن يؤتيني خيرا من جنتك ويرسل عليها حسبانا من السماء فتصبح صعيدا زلقا.
it may well be that my Lord will give me something better than your vineyard and send a calamity upon your vineyard from the heavens, and it will be reduced to a barren waste.
أو يصبح ماؤها غورا فلن تستطيع له طلبا.
Or the water of your vineyard will be drained deep into the ground, so that you will not be able to seek it out.
وأحيط بثمره فأصبح يقلب كفيه على ما أنفق فيها وهي خاوية على عروشها ويقول يا ليتني لم أشرك بربي أحدا.
Eventually, all his produce was destroyed, and he began to wring his hands in sorrow at the loss of what he had spent on it, and on seeing it fallen down upon its trellises, saying, "Would I had not associated anyone with my Lord in his divinity."
ولم تكن له فئة ينصرونه من دون الله وما كان منتصرا.
And there was no host beside Allah to help him, nor could he be of any help to himself.
هنالك الولاية لله الحق هو خير ثوابا وخير عقبا.
Then he knew that all power of protection rests with Allah, the True One. He is the best to reward, the best to determine the end of things.
واضرب لهم مثل الحياة الدنيا كماء إن أنزلناه من السماء فاختلط به نبات الأرض فأصبح هشيما تذروه الرياح وكان الله على كل شيء مقتدرا.
O Prophet, propound to them the parable of the present life. It is like the vegetation of the earth, which flourished luxuriantly when it mingled with the water that we sent down from the sky. But after that, the same vegetation turned into stubble, which the winds blew about. Allah alone has the power over all things.
المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا والباقيات الصالحات خير عند ربك ثوابا وخير أملا.
Wealth and children are an adornment of the life of the world, but the deeds of lasting righteousness are the best in the sight of your Lord in reward, and far better a source of hope.
ويوم نسير الجبال وترى الأرض بارزة وحشرناهم فلم نغادر منهم أحدا.
Bear in mind the day when we shall set the mountains in motion, and you will find the earth void and bare. On that day we shall muster all men together, leaving none of them behind.
وعرضوا على ربك صفا لقد جئتمونا كما خلقناكم أول مرة بل زعمتم أن لن نجعل لكم موعدا.
They shall be brought before your Lord, all lined up, and shall be told, Now indeed you have come before us in the manner we created you in the first instance, although you thought that we shall not appoint a tryst with us.
ووضع الكتاب فترى المجرمين مشفقين مما فيه ويقولون يا ويلتنا ما لهذا الكتاب لا يغادر صغيرة ولا كبيرة إلا أحصاها ووجدوا ما عملوا حاضرا ولا يظلم ربك أحدا.
And then the record of their deeds shall be placed before them, and you will see the guilty, full of fear for what it contains, and will say, Woe to us! What a record this is! It leaves nothing big or small, but encompasses it. They will find their deeds confronting them. Your Lord wrongs no one.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسَ كَانَ مِنَ الْجِنِّ فَفَسَقَ عَنْ أَمْرِ رَبِّهِ أَفَتَتَّخِذُونَهُ وَذُرِّيَّتَهُ أَوْلِيَاءَ مِنْ دُونِي وَهُمْ لَكُمْ عَدُوٌّ بئس للظالمين بدلا.
And recall when we said to the angels, Prostrate yourselves before Adam. All of them fell prostrate except Iblis. He was of the jinn, and so disobeyed the command of his Lord. Will you then take him and his progeny as your guardians rather than me, although they are your open enemies? What an evil substitute are these wrongdoers taking!
ما أشهدتهم خلق السماوات والأرض ولا خلق أنفسهم وما كنت متخذ المضلين عضدا.
I did not call them to witness the creation of the heavens and the earth, nor in their own creation. I do not seek the aid of those who lead people astray.
ويوم يقول نادوا شركائي الذين زعمتم فدعوهم فلم يستجيبوا لهم وجعلنا بينهم موبقا.
What will such people do on the day when the Lord will say, Now call upon all those whom you believe to be my partners? Thereupon they will call upon them, but they will not respond to their call, and we shall make them a common pit of doom.
ورأى المجرمون النار فظنوا أنهم مواقعوها ولم يجدوا عنها مصرفا.
And the guilty shall behold the fire, and know that they are bound to fall into it, and will find no escape from it.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ لِلنَّاسِ مِنْ كُلِّ مَثَلٍ وَكَانَ الْإِنسَانُ أَكْثَرَ شَيْءٍ جَدَلًا.
And surely we have explained matters to people in the Quran in diverse ways, using all manner of parables. But man is exceedingly contentious.
وَمَا مَنَعَ النَّاسَ أَن يُؤْمِنُوا إِذْ جَاءَهُمُ الْهُدَى وَيَسْتَغْفِرُوا رَبَّهُمْ إِلَّا أَن تَأْتِيَهُمْ سُنَّةُ الْأَوَّلِينَ أَوْ يَأْتِيَهُمُ الْعَذَابُ قُبُلًا.
What is it that prevented mankind from believing when the guidance came to them and from asking forgiveness of their Lord, except that they would like to be treated as the nations of yore, or that they would like to see the scourge come upon them face to face?
وَمَا نُرْسِلُ الْمُرْسَلِينَ إِلَّا مُبَشِّرِينَ وَمُنذِرِينَ وَيُجَادِلُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا بِالْبَاطِلِ لِيُدْحِضُوا بِهِ الْحَقَّ وَاتَّخَذُوا آيَاتِي وَمَا أُنذِرُوا هُزُوًا.
We raise messengers only to give good news and to warn, but the unbelievers resort to falsehood in order to rebut the truth with it and scoff at my revelations and my warnings.
وَمَنْ أَظْلَمُ مِمَّنْ ذُكِّرَ بِآيَاتِ رَبِّهِ فَأَعْرَضَ عَنْهَا وَنَسِيَ مَا قَدَّمَتْ يَدَاهُ إِنَّا جَعَلْنَا عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ أَكِنَّةً أَنْ يَفْقَهُوهُ وَفِي آذَانِهِمْ وَقْرًا وَإِنْ تَدْعُوهُمْ إِلَى الْهُدَى فَلَنْ يَهْتَدُوا إِذًا أَبَدًا.
Who is more wicked than the man who, when he is reminded by the revelations of his Lord, turns away from them and forgets the consequence of the deeds wrought by his own hands? We have laid veils over their hearts, lest they understand the message of the Quran, and we have caused heaviness in their ears. Call them as you may to the right path, they will not be ever guided aright.
وَرَبُّكَ الْغَفُورُ ذُو الرَّحْمَةِ لَوْ يُؤَاخِذُهُم بِمَا كَسَبُوا لَعَجَّلَ لَهُمُ الْعَذَابَ بَل لَّهُم مَّوْعِدٌ لَّن يَجِدُوا مِن دُونِهِ مَوْئِلًا.
Your Lord is all-forgiving, full of mercy. Had he wished to take them to task for their doings, he would have hastened in sending his scourge upon them. But he has set for them a time limit, which they cannot evade.
وَتِلْكَ الْقُرَىٰ أَهْلَكْنَاهُمْ لَمَّا ظَلَمُوا وَجَعَلْنَا لِمَهْلِكِهِم مَّوْعِدًا.
All the townships afflicted with scourge are before your eyes. When they committed wrong, we destroyed them. For the destruction of each, we had set a definite term.
وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَى لِفَتَاهُ لَا أَبْرَحُ حَتَّى أَبْلُغَ مَجْمَعَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ أَوْ أَمْضِيَ حُقُبًا.
And recount to them the story of Moses, when Moses said to his servant, I will journey on until I reach the point where the two rivers meet, though I may march on for ages.
فَلَمَّا بَلَغَا مَجْمَعَ بَيْنِهِمَا نَسِيَا حُوتَهُمَا فَاتَّخَذَ سَبِيلَهُ فِي الْبَحْرِ سَرَبًا.
But when they reached the point where the two rivers meet, they forgot their fish, and it took its way into the sea as if through a tunnel.
فَلَمَّا جَاوَزَا قَالَ لِفَتَاهُ آتِنَا غَدَاءَنَا لَقَدْ لَقِينَا مِن سَفَرِنَا هَٰذَا نَصَبًا.
When they had journeyed further on, Moses said to his servant, "Bring us our repast. We are surely fatigued by today's journey."
قال أرأيت إذ أوينا إلى الصخرة فإني نسيت الحوت وما أنسانيه إلا الشيطان أن أذكره واتخذ سبيله في البحر عجبا.
The servant said, "Did you see what happened? When we betook ourselves to the rock to take rest, I forgot the fish, and it is only Satan who caused me to forget to mention it to you, so that it made its way into the sea in a strange manner."
قال ذلك ما كنا نبغي فارتدا على آثارهما قصصا.
Moses said, "That is what we were looking for." So the two turned back, retracing their footsteps.
فوجدا عبدا من عبادنا آتيناه رحمة من عندنا وعلمناه من لدنا علما.
And there they found one of our servants upon whom we had bestowed our mercy, and to whom we had imparted a special knowledge from ourselves.
قال له موسى هل أتبعك على أن تعلمني مما علمت رشدا.
Moses said to him, "May I follow you that you may teach me something of the wisdom which you have been taught?"
قال إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He answered, "You will surely not be able to bear with me.
فكيف تصبر على ما لم تحط به خبرا.
For how can you patiently bear with something you cannot encompass in your knowledge?"
قال ستجدني إن شاء الله صابرا ولا أعصي لك أمرا.
Moses replied, "You shall find me, if Allah wills, patient, and I shall not disobey you in anything."
قال فإن اتبعتني فلا تسألني عن شيء حتى أحدث لك منه ذكرا.
He said, "Well, if you follow me, do not ask me concerning anything until I myself mention it to you."
فانطلقا حتى إذا ركبا في السفينة خرقها قال أخرقتها لتغرق أهلها لقد جئت شيئا إمرا.
Then the two went forth until when they embarked on the boat, he made a hole in it, whereupon Moses explained, "Have you made a hole in it so as to drown the people in the boat? You have certainly done an awful thing."
قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He replied, "Did I not tell you that you will not be able to patiently bear with me?"
قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا.
Moses said, "Do not take me to task at my forgetfulness, and do not be hard on me."
فانطلقا حتى إذا لقيا غلاما فقتله قال أقتلت نفسا زكية بغير نفس لقد جئت شيئا نكرا.
Then the two went forth until they met a lad, whom he slew, whereupon Moses exclaimed, "What? Have you slain an innocent person without his having slain anyone? Surely you've done a horrible thing."